Hey everyone over at Brotherhood HVAC. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. 3 things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. So I think you understand the importance and the value that being online brings to you, given the fact that you have a Facebook page, but to what extent, I'm not sure. So contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying Home Advisor and Angie's List or other lead generation services like that. So you guys have a Facebook page. You do not have a website from what I can see. When you do decide to get a website, not sure if you're new to the business or if you don't ever plan on getting one, I highly recommend getting one. Either way, when you get one, content, citations, and backlinks are what's going to help you to soar in the business. Content. So you're going to want to make sure to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. Also, how you save your pictures matters too. A lot of times when we upload photos on the internet, they're not saved as anything other than what the computer generates it to be saved at. You're going to want to make sure that all of your photos are saved as buyer intent keywords. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed. And so I typed in Nat and Hutton HVAC. And you guys are here, number 1, so that's cool. That's really good. Your number 1 position. This has to do with citations. Not sure if you guys are trying to specialize just in Nat and Hutton or if you're trying to go outside, how far you're willing to travel. I typed in Richville HVAC. We got Dales, Ron's, and Tusky. You guys aren't here, but this is a close town. And then we got Denison. We got Ron's, Dales, and Tusky. So Brotherhood's only for Nat and Hutton. And you're in the number 1 position. But then if you look here, Simpson Heating is right behind it organically. So this is because of their website and their backlinks and their content on their website. You got Nut Hunt. So you guys actually are pulling up in this Facebook page, but that's only for Nat and Hutton. So this has to do with citations. I do actually have your guys' GMB pulled up. A couple things I want to point out. Once you get a website, be sure to add it into your profile. Also, these reviews. So you got 2 reviews for the 5-star, which is definitely cool, something to be proud of. You're going to want to keep pushing those. So we recommend minimum 25 reviews. Also, there's your photos here. So it looks like this is the only photo, and it's probably like a drive-by Google photo. I don't think you guys uploaded this. I highly recommend going in, uploading 10 photos, and make sure to save those photos as buyer intent keywords. That's going to help you pick up in Denison, for example, Richville, for example. I'm not sure how far you guys are willing to go. Maybe you trying to go, maybe you go an hour out. Maybe you want the big dogs, the big cities. So I wanted to pull up a website just to show you an example of a pretty simple one. This is Ron's Heating and Cooling. I'm not sure if this is Ron or not, but either way, this is just an example of a pretty simple website. And he's got work to do too, but I just wanted to show you. Believe it or not, they're actually not too expensive to get one. You can actually build a website yourself. Just make sure to have 1,500 words minimum, and then make sure all your photos are saved properly. So I just wanted to show you this for reference. And then the last thing is backlinks. So I use Ron's for backlinks just as an example. What a backlink is once you get a URL like ronsheatingandcooling.com, once you get one that's brotherhoodhvac.com or whatever, you're going to want to get backlinks. But just remember, not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks are free. Some backlinks you pay for. Either way, you want to make sure that you get your backlinks from relevant sites and sites that are not spammy. So when you do your homework and you start getting backlinks to your URL, make sure to get ones that aren't spammy and make sure that they're relevant content. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs, ahrefs.com. It gives a lot of information on your URL, and so I highly recommend doing some research on backlinks and getting yourself some once you have a website, uploading 10 photos minimum on this GMB, saving them right, adding the website to your GMB, keep pushing those reviews, keep getting those citations, which, yeah, you are in Nat and Hutton, but not anywhere else. And so that's only gonna get you so far as money, as far as leads, as far as growing your business. I hope that when you do decide to build a website that you implement these strategies. I hope that you have a prosperous 2021, and thank you very much for watching. Any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you very much.